Welcome to 2342 Wesley Landing. This is a 55 plus community. Let's go in and check out the highlights. This is a 3-bedroom home. So we have our primary suite on the main level, a guest bedroom with a full bath. There's a bonus room with a guest suite and yes, another full bath. And what's really unique is there's not one stitch of carpet in this entire house. The kitchen is absolutely fabulous. All your favorite things, the farmhouse apron sink, the pendants, beautiful white cabinets. And there's the vintage hood, it's in disguise as a cabinet, gas cooktop, the list goes on. We have beautiful engineered hardwoods throughout the entire first floor, a nice study with French doors, and what I absolutely love is looking out to your outdoor space. The primary suite does not disappoint. We have beautiful tray ceilings up above, and then let's check out the bathroom. If you're looking for the white, we have the quartz countertops. I love, these are mirrored medicine cabinets. Amazing. And then the shower literally is a total zero entry shower, equipped with the seat, the bars, the fancy Delta shower fixture, and no worries, there's no wired shelves in here. The closet is top secret for privacy reasons, but trust me, that's amazing. But outside is the price of admission. You have patio pavers, this beautiful special place. Normally in this neighborhood, you face a wall. As you can see here, we have evergreens that have been planted to give you that extra privacy and just professional landscaping. I love the water fountain feature and green space that you can actually access and see from different parts of your home. Fellas, I didn't forget about you. This is a garage you can twirl in or work in, but what's amazing, it has a mini split. So you have AC in the summer, heat in the winter, and it has new age pro cabinets for all your tools so you can tinker on your projects and just live the great retirement life. So for more information, just message us below. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath. So if you love it, give it a like, thumbs up, and comment. And if you want to buy it or you know somebody this is perfect for, please share it with them and message us and reach out. Book your showing now.